Hello friends, welcome to our channel Homeopathy the Healing Power. Friends, in today's video we are going to study one of the organopathic homeopathic medicine, and this medicine is Berberis vulgaris. Friends, this medicine has its special affinity, or we can say a special action on urinary system. And so this medicine is most useful and most specific and best homeopathic medicine for renal stone. Friends, in this video we are going to study the detailed symptomatology of Berberis. We will be seeing how Berberis acts, what are the indications of Berberis vulgaris, when can we prescribe this medicine, and of course we will see that what is the typical pain of patient which indicates the medicine Berberis in renal stone. So friends, this video will be very beneficial for all of us, as we will come to know that why Berberis is considered to be the best and most specific medicine for renal stone. Also, this video will be very beneficial for second year BHMS student, as this medicine is considered in second year Matra Medica syllabus. This video will be also very beneficial for practitioners. So let's get started. But before that, if you are new to our channel or if you have not subscribed our channel till now, then subscribe the channel, press the bell icon and select option all, so that you will be get notified whenever a new video is uploaded from Homeopathy the Healing Power. Like this video and share this video. So let's get started. Berberis vulgaris. Berberis plant grows more in India, Europe and North Asia. It belongs to the family Beriberidaceae, and the common name of this medicine is barberry. In homeopathy, this medicine was introduced by Dr. Hayes. The homeopathic mother tincture is prepared from the dried bark and root of this plant. Friends, we will discuss the active principles and the properties of active principles after the pathogenesis of Berberis. So now friends, let's see the sphere of action of Berberis. As we all know friends, it is one of the organopathic medicine. So it has its main action on kidney and urinary bladder. At the same time, it is also seen that Berberis has its action on liver and gallbladder. Berberis is a left-sided medicine, so it has its special action on left side of the body. Friends, now let's see the pathogenesis of Berberis. By acting on urinary organs, Berberis first produces irritation and then inflammation. That means it first produces the irritation of urinary organs and then inflammation, which then help in formation of renal stone. This irritation and inflammation produces severe soreness and burning sensation. This inflammation of kidneys then produces hematuria. Berberis also has its action on liver and on gallbladder. By acting on gallbladder, it helps in free flow of bile. If there is a stasis of bile, then it produces gallstone. So therefore, Berberis is considered to be the best homeopathic medicine for gallstone colic, and also for jaundice. It is also seen that Berberis has its strong action on venous system of our body, and here it produces pelvic engorgement. And this pelvic engorgement further produces hemorrhoids, hepatic complaints, rheumatic affections, and some menstrual complaints. Diseases related to kidneys are of course seen. Physical makeup of Berberis patient is very much unique and striking as well. Cheeks are sunken, eyes are deeply embedded in the eye socket, there are dark circles around the eyes. There is a constant pain and suffering. Because of this constant pain and suffering from which the patient is going is seen on the face of the patient. Patient's face is extremely anxious, fearful and full of worries and thoughts. They have a very pale, grey and earthy complexion. Now friends, let's see the active principles of Berberis mother tincture. Berberis mother tincture contain active principles like berbamine, berberine and other isoquinoline alkaloids, among which berbamine is the most important key ingredient of Berberis mother tincture. Friends, now let's see one by one the variety of properties these active principles of Berberis have. Berbamine. The most important active principle of Berberis have anti-inflammatory, immunosuppressive, antioxidant and cytoprotective properties. They also have anticholinergic and antihistaminergic properties. At the same time, it is also seen that this berbamine helps in prevention of vascular permeability. Anti-urolithic activity is well proved by these active principles. Some reports also suggests that these active principles have strong antibacterial, antidysenteric and amoebicidal action on our body. At the same time, berberine, the other active principle of Berberis mother tincture, have anticonvulsant, sedative action and diuretic effects on our body. So now friends, you can correlate the sphere of action, the pathogenesis, the active principles with their properties of this mother tincture Berberis vulgaris. So now friends, I guess you can come to know that why Berberis is considered to be the best and most specific medicine for kidney stone, for renal stone, for gallstone and for other complaints like jaundice and rheumatism. Friends, now let's see the indications of Berberis in renal stone. Because Berberis is one of the left-sided medicine, so generally renal stone of left kidney is seen here. There is a constant pain and suffering. The pain starts from the kidney, then it goes to the ureter, then to urinary bladder. In this way, the pain flows from kidney to urinary bladder. Sometimes this pain is also seen on pelvic region. Then the pain flows in this way. In males, this pain is seen to start from pelvic region, then goes to hip, down into the testicle of the affected side. During this renal colic, patient passes urine which is greenish, bloody, turbid with full of slimy mucus. Berberis patients have wandering, stitching, tearing, thrombing type of pain. This pain never remain at one place. This is the keynote of this medicine. This type of pain never stops from where they have started. The pain continuously radiates in all parts of the body. Because of this wandering, tearing type of the pain, it is difficult for a patient to locate the exact site of pain. Patient will tell to doctor that there is a pain somewhere in the kidney region in the lower back. But where exactly, at which point, it is difficult for a patient to notice the site of the pain. This is the grand feature of this medicine. Along with bruised pain, there is stiffness and lameness seen. Numbness is also seen, and this numbness also have a very typical symptom. This numbness is seen in the small part of the back, which makes patient very difficult to move. So every motion brings on the pain in these patients. There is stiffness seen in the kidney region. At the same time, burning sensation and soreness is also seen in the kidney region. A typical sensation is seen, and that is bubbling sensation in the kidney region. Friends, what is this bubbling sensation? This is again the characteristic feature of this remedy, and here bubbling sensation means as if the water is coming through the skin, and this sensation will be described by the patient. In acute cases of renal stone, there will be severe pain and hematuria will also be seen. In chronic cases, the character of urine changes. Patient passes dark turbid urine with copious sedimentation. Here, urine flows very slowly and there is a constant urging to pass urine. All these symptoms of renal colic gets aggravated from jar, from jerk, and from motion. Every movement brings the complaint, or every movement increases the urinary complaints. Now friends, let's see berberis in gallstone and in gallstone colic. Friends, berberis is also useful medicine in biliary calculi when jaundice follows the gallstone colic. Here there is violent stitching pain felt in the right hypochondriac region. Friends, again these pains are wandering, tearing, stitching type. They go here and there, and again it is very difficult to locate the exact site of pain. Here the pain is so severe that during course of the pain the patient has to hold his breath because of the severity of pain. This pain radiates from liver under the border of false rib, then it goes to the right side of the abdomen. Sometimes it is also seen that this pain shoots up to the left shoulder. Here again bubbling sensation is seen. Patient passes clay colored stool. Jaundice is also seen to be followed after biliary colic. In some high grade cases of gallstone colic, it is seen that this gallstone colic gets complicated with fistula in ano and with troublesome cough. Biliary colic pain gets aggravated from little jar, from motion, and from walking. Friends, berberis is also indicated in rheumatism, especially in those who have gouty constitution. Here in rheumatism, pain is seen in shoulder, arms, fingers, toes and feet. There is sore and lameness feeling. Again, the pains are of variety of nature. There are burning, stitching, tearing type of the pain which radiates here and there. They appear in one part of the body, then they go to the another part of the body. So here patient constantly suffers from pain and suffering. These pains are again aggravated from jar, motion and from walking. A characteristic concomitant symptom is seen here. Rheumatic and gouty complaints are associated with urinary troubles. At this point, berberis is indicated in these patients. Friends, now let's see some keynote of this medicine. Berberis is also indicated when there is a sensation of tight cap pressing upon the whole scalp. Patient will constantly suffer through this symptom. Also, berberis is indicated in menstrual symptoms when menstrual complaints are associated with urinary problems, where there is a great sensitiveness and soreness in vagina seen. Relation with other medicines, it is seen that berberis is similar to lycopodium and sarsaparilla in renal colic. So friends, this is the detailed video on berberis vulgaris, a best homeopathic medicine for renal colic. Please leave your valuable feedback in the comments section given below, and don't forget to give this video a like, share this video and subscribe our channel. Meet you soon. Thank you for watching.